Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. We have a new video for aspiring ABAP developers, consultants and all SAP guys. Today we'll talk about pop-up debugging. So let's talk what is pop-up and what and why should we debug it. So what is pop-up? I guess you can see on the screen something showing up. It's pop. Let's understand how and why is a pop-up. So pop-up is basically when the developer wants the user to know something, that's a pop-up. So for this situation, you have to inform some piece of text or information that user needs to know. It could be expected, it could be unexpected, it doesn't matter. So you can use various function modules. Two of them is given on the screen. One is pop-up to confirm and another is pop-up continue yes or no. Pop-up to confirm will take just confirmation. Continue yes or no will go two paths. One is yes, one is no. You can do the next step accordingly on the yes or no. So debugging the pop-up. Consider you are getting a debug. Consider getting a pop-up where you need to understand where it's coming from and what is the reason. So what you have to do is take the code which is shown on the screen. In the box function, then command equals /h. Next line, title equals debugger. Next line, type equals SystemCommand. Take this text, open a notepad, put it there, save it as debug.bat. And then you open your logic flow where you're getting the pop-up, take this debug.bat and put it on the pop-up. It will open the debugger session now. I'll put the logic code in the description and a pastebin file also as a link reference. You can use it for your requirement or debugging purposes. So yeah, that's all for today. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, bye-bye.